Creating YouTube Shorts every day can feel overwhelming. Writing scripts, recording audio, and editing clips take hours, and for many creators, that pressure leads to burnout. But what if you could save most of that time and still post high-quality content? That's where ShortBeast AI comes in. It automates the hardest parts of the process. Instead of spending hours, you type in a topic like morning habits of successful people, and the AI does the rest. It generates a full script, picks a professional sounding voice, adds captions, and matches visuals to your content. The result? A polished faceless short video in minutes. You get to focus on your ideas, not the tech. This makes it easier to stay consistent, which is the real key to growth on YouTube. If you're ready to save time and grow your channel with less effort, sign up using my link in the description and start making faceless shorts today.